everyone, this is Jen Sheffer, Instructional Technology Specialist for Fox Hills School. And in this tutorial, we are going to be looking at the accessibility feature Spoken Content on the iPad. To use Spoken Content, you will tap on the Settings gear and then go to Accessibility. Spoken Content is the second to last option in the Vision section. So we'll tap on Spoken Content and we will turn on Speak Selection. When we select text, a button will appear that says Speak that we can click on, and the text on the screen will be read. This is an excellent feature to support readers. What we can also do to further support our reader is to highlight content as it's being spoken. You can select both words and sentences to be highlighted, or one or the other. You can have a background color as your highlight style, or you could just make that text underlined. That's your preference and the preference of your reader. And the color of the highlight can also be changed. If we tap on that selection there, we'll see we have blue, yellow, green, pink, or purple for our highlighted color options. Once you've made those highlight choices, you can also change the voice of the spoken content. The default is an English Siri female voice. You can tap on it to preview it.
Hello, my name is Siri.
If you go back, you'll notice there are a wide variety of voices in different languages, as well as male or female voices. So you can choose which voice works best for your student. And then we can also change the rate of speech. So it's in the middle, but if we bring it to the right, it's going to go faster.
Speak selection, read selected content.
That's probably too fast for our students, so we could bring it to the left to go slower.
Speak selection, read selected content.
Or we could keep it right in the middle as the default.
Speak selection, read selected content.
Again, that is up to you and your student to personalize these spoken content options. Once you are ready, you can pull up an article for your student, or your student can do that, and they can highlight. This is an article from Newsela. And as I highlight, you'll notice I have now the option to tap Speak.
Take the Tonka dump truck. Sales of the bright yellow classic are up more than 250% from a year ago. Barbies, Hot Wheels, and Legos are big sellers, as are puzzles and board games.
So that is how spoken content would work. You might want to change the highlighting options so that it's only the word that is being read that's being highlighted. But this is an absolutely fantastic accessibility feature to support our readers. It's built right into the iPad, and I hope you will take advantage of this feature, share it with your families of your students, encourage them to use it at home as well to improve reading skills. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thanks for watching.